Good morning, traders. This is Nick Mastrandrea, Market Tea Leaves, here to bring you our daily market buyers video for Monday, November 3rd. As you know, it's been a while since I've done this, and it's been a while since I've had any kind of video dialogue with you. But then again, as many of you know, I've recently recovered from a major heart attack, and currently right now am recuperating. For those of you who stayed with us, and for those of you who continue to subscribe to Market Tea Leaves, I thank you. I thank you for your loyalty. In terms of what's going on in the markets right now, obviously it's been about a month or so since we last spoke, but many things have happened, many things have changed. If we were to take a look at the overnight session in Asia, Asia closed mainly mixed, if you will, with about half the exchanges trading higher, the other half trading lower. If we were to take a look at Europe right now, currently all of Europe is trading to the downside. Now, if we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands, first and foremost, the rules of market correlation has changed this past month, and I'll explain to you how and why. Currently, we see the U.S. dollar trading higher. And we see crude oil trading higher. There is no correlation between the U.S. dollar and crude. Financials in terms of the bonds are trading higher. And the indices themselves are trading a bit lower, if you will. Perhaps with the exception of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which is down about maybe 23 points. The S&P is down fractionally. You know, at this point, this could go in any direction. And it's been that way this entire past month. Metals in terms of gold is trading lower. Now, if we were to take a look at economic news that we have on a docket today for the U.S. markets, we do have quite a bit. We've got final manufacturing PMI at 9:45. We have ISM manufacturing PMI at 10 a.m. We have construction spending out at 10 a.m. We have ISM manufacturing prices again out at 10 a.m. And all day long we have total vehicle sales. These are major reports. These are proven market movers. So whereas we say that our bias is to the downside today, this could change, and it could change dramatically. But in terms of what's going on in terms of rules of market correlation, what is happening, folks, is we're starting to see reverse correlation between crude and the markets and indices themselves. Whereas prior to October, if crude was trading higher, we would say that the indices and the markets themselves would be or should be trading higher. The exact opposite, or the exact reverse, is happening right now. As crude oil goes up, the markets go down. And vice versa. When crude oil goes down, the markets go up. So what we're starting to see is a phenomenon that we have not seen in over 2 years that we've been publishing Market Tea Leaves. And that being that the correlation between crude oil and the markets themselves, or the indices, is now reversed. So we're dealing with a very, very different scenario, a very different situation. The way to play this is to take a look at each and every instrument individually and see what it correlates to. For example, the U.S. dollar trading higher and crude trading lower is still normal. U.S. dollar trading higher and crude trading higher is not normal. So individually, between, let's say, currencies and energies, we have to dissect this individually, if you will, in order to determine market direction. But this is what we see that's happening right now. So, for example, we could take a look at the financials or the bonds, and we can see that the bonds themselves are trading higher. The indices themselves are trading lower, at least currently. Could this change? Absolutely. Remember, we have about 5 major economic reports, and this could change everything. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.